Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome to this week's Aldi finds for January the 8th. In today's video, we will see some amazing Valentine's Day finds, perfect for creating memorable moments without breaking the bank. From pet toys to budget-friendly gifts and so much more. Now let's go ahead and dive right on in. We're going to start with the Valentine pet goods section first. We just have one item here, and that is the Heart to Tail Valentine's Day dog toys for only $3.99. Next up, we have the Valentine apparel. Our first item is the Sarah Ladies Valentine's Day sweater. There are more styles to choose from, and they're only $14.99. Next, we have the Squishmallow Valentine's Day slippers. There are more styles to choose from, and they're only $9.99. Now we're heading into the Valentine home and decor section. First up, we have the Huntington Home 3-wick candle. There's many more designs to choose from, and they are only $4.49 each. Here we have the Huntington Home Valentine's tablecloth. It is vinyl, and there's several different designs to choose from and sizes for only $2.99. We have the Kirkton House glitter tree with heart ornaments. And friends, I mentioned last week, Kirkton is a name I had not seen before. And last week was the first time, and you'll see it quite a bit again this week. Let me know below. Nobody mentioned it last time. I'm curious if this is something new or if it's been around and I just had noticed it. But anyway, this is $9.99, and there are several other items to choose from. And did I say this was a glitter tree with heart ornaments? I'm not sure. And we have the Kirkton House matches holder for $9.99. We have the Kirkton House Valentine's Day bowl filler, several different designs to choose from, only $4.99. We have the Kirkton House Valentine's Day garland, several to choose from, $4.99 each. We have the Kirkton House Valentine's Day objects. These are perfect for those tier trays. There are several different designs. It's like a package of 4 items. $4.99, friends. This is, better quality than the dollar store, and, the price is perfect. We have the Kirkton House Valentine's Day pillows. They have several different styles to choose from, only $9.99. Friends, this blanket is absolutely adorable. It's the Kirkton House Valentine's Day plush throw. Several to choose from, $7.99. Now we're heading into the Valentine kitchen supplies. First up, we have the Crofton 2-pack towel or oven mitt pot holder. Several different designs or styles to choose from, $3.99 for a 2-pack. We have the Crofton Valentine's Day 2-piece mug set. How stinking cute are they, friends? $9.99. Now we're heading into the home and decor section. First up is the Easy Home folding step stool. There's several different styles to choose from, only $6.99. We have the Easy Home rolling laundry basket, $12.99. We have the Easy Home rubber tray for your shoes, only $9.99. We have the Easy Home rug pad or tape, several different styles to choose from, only $4.99. We have the Huntington Home 18 by 30 Soho mat, several styles to choose from, only $6.99. We have the Huntington Home 5-foot by 7-foot washable area rugs, many styles to choose from, $49.99. And we have the Kirkton House 10-ounce glass reed diffuser, several different scents, only $6.99 each. We have the Kirkton House 28-inch decorative mirror, several different designs, only $39.99. We also have the Kirkton House Flex trays. They come in several different colors and styles, only $3.99. We have the Kirkton House hanging stackable bins, several styles to choose from, only $8.99. And we have the Kirkton House Scandinavian waste bin or toilet brush, several different styles, $9.99. We have the Kirkton House scented wax melts. It's available in several different scents for only $1.89 each. And we have the Kirkton House Soft Sherpa Gauze Throw, several different colors to choose from, $17.99. We have the Kirkton House textured ceramic vase. These are absolutely beautiful. There are several different designs and they're only $6.99 each, friends. That is an awesome deal. We have the Kirkton House washable 2 foot by 6 foot runner. Many different designs to choose from, only $18.99. And here's another fan favorite, the Soul Furniture Accent side table. It'll go with the little buffet thing they had last week, only $49.99. And we have the Soul Furniture rectangular, I was going to say retractable, a rectangular foldable storage ottoman, many colors to choose from, only $19.99. And now we're heading into the home improvement section. First up, we have the Ambiano ceramic heater with fan. It comes in 2 different colors, only $29.99. We also have the Castle Lux 4-pack dimmable light bulbs, $3.99. And we have the Work Zone IB cable ties, several different sizes to choose from, only $4.99. And now we're heading into the outdoor living and garden section. We just have one item here, and that is the Six Roses bouquet. It comes in assorted colors and it's only $3.99. And now we're heading into the household items section. First up, we have the Clorox Triple Action Dishwasher Packs, $15.99. We have the Easy Home Angled Broom or Microfiber Mop, only $6.99. We have the Glade Large Spray Holder. It comes in assorted varieties, only $5.65. We have the Palmolive Liquid Dish Soap, $7.99. We also have the Suavato, and I'm not quite sure if that's pronounced correctly, Field Flowers Fabric Softener for $8.47. And now we're going to head into the kitchen supply section. First up, we have the Kirkton House 2-tier mesh organizer. There are more styles to choose from, and it's only $14.99. We have the Kirkton House acrylic kitchen cabinet bin. There are other designs to choose from, and they are $7.99. And this is something that I really like a lot. It is the Kirkton House bag or wrap organizer. They are wooden for $14.99. And we have the Kirkton House bamboo drawer organizer, only $9.99. And we have the Kirkton House knife holder, $9.99, and there's more styles to choose from. We have the Kirkton House metal storage basket. You can get it in white or black with handles, only $9.99. And we have the Kirkton House pantry storage solution bins, only $7.99, and several designs to choose from. We have the Kirkton House wire cabinet organizers, different styles to choose from, and they're $4.99. We have the Pembroke Kitchen Calendar. It has the days of the week to plan out your meals and a little shopping list. They have different designs and they're only $4.99. And we have the Sterilite 11.9-gallon step-on wastebasket, $12.99. And now we're going to head into the school, office, and art supply section. We have the Pembroke pop-up Valentine's Day card. There is a multitude of cards to choose from, and they're only $1.99. Now let's move into the sports and outdoor activity section. First up, we have the Crane 15 or 20-pound slam ball. Several different designs to choose from, only $9.99. We have the Crane 3-level adjustable step deck. Several different styles to choose from. They're $14.99. We have the Crane 30-pound kettlebell set, $19.99. We have the Crane fitness mats, $19.99. And we have the Crane foldable fitness mat. This is a little bit thicker, $19.99. And we have the Crane stretch and tone bar, thigh toner, or tummy trimmer for only $6.99. We also have the Crane weightlifting gloves, straps, or barbell pad, $6.99. And now we're heading into our very last section, which is the meat and seafood section. We just have this one item here, and it is the fresh grass-fed stew meat. It is $5.79 per pound, and it's available while quantities last. From Aldi's website, items are available while quantities last. Items are limited and may not be available in all stores. There may be a limit on quantity sold. Prices and labels may vary by location. Aldi is not responsible for printing or typographical errors. Mama Needs a Goal's disclaimer. Mama Needs a Goal is not associated, affiliated, or sponsored by Aldi. I am just a consumer who is sharing her love of Aldi by reposting the Aldi finds. I am not responsible for printing, voiceover, or typographical errors. So, friends, thanks so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't already, please go ahead, hit that little subscribe button, as it does greatly help me out. And also, please consider checking me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. So, friends, thanks so much, and I will see you next week with more fun Aldi finds. Bye!